When it comes to managing your team's projects, two popular platforms stand out. But which one is truly the best for you? On one side, we have Bitrix24, a robust work management suite packed with features. On the other, Kanbanchi, a streamlined tool that keeps things simple and visual. We'll be testing them in real scenarios, collaboration, task management, integrations, pricing, and more. Forget the flashy claims. Let's look at how these platforms really perform. We'll award points in each category so you'll know exactly where each tool stands, and the final tally where each tool stands. And the final tally could surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, so quick rundown. Here's the mind map of categories we're diving into: price, features, ease of use, integration, scalability, and security. We'll break down how both stack up in each, and you'll see that the differences can be surprising. Alright, first up is price. Now, Bitrix24 throws in a free plan, which is nice if you're just dabbling. But here's the catch. If you want those fancy features, you're looking at a jump to their enterprise plan. Kinda hurts, right? Now, Kanbanchi, I actually love how transparent their pricing is. You pay for what you use, it's affordable for smaller teams, but, their free plan is kinda bare bones. So if you just need the essentials and don't want any sticker shock later, Kanbanchi wins this round. Next, features. Oh, and here's something cool. Bitrix24 throws literally everything at you. Chat, tasks, CRM, automation, video calls, even HR. Yep, really. It's a full-on business suite. But sometimes, honestly, it feels like you're at a buffet and don't know where to start. On the other hand, Kanbanchi is all about Kanban boards and Google Workspace integrations. It nails the basics, but misses out on stuff like telephony and built-in HR. If you want all the bells and whistles, Bitrix24 steps ahead here. Ease of use? So, you know when you log into new software and get completely lost? Bitrix24's UI is modern and they do try to guide you, but with all those modules, the learning curve is kinda steep. Kanbanchi though is just smooth. It's like opening a Google Doc, but for Kanban. Quick onboarding, super clean, no fuss. Although, if you want crazy customization, you might feel a bit boxed in. Kanbanchi definitely shines for ease of use. Wait, pause for a quick trivia break. Did you know? Kanban, the method at the heart of Kanbanchi, was actually inspired by Toyota's manufacturing process. Just a little geeky history, right? Let's talk integration. Bitrix24 does play nice with a ton of apps. Office 365, Google Workspace, Zapier, the usual suspects. But heads up, you'll hit some limits unless you pay up. Kanbanchi's deep Google Workspace integration is honestly kinda magic if you're all in on Google. They cover the basics with Slack and Gmail too, but if you live outside the Google bubble, it's a bit limited. Neither one truly runs away with this. Call it a tie. Scalability. Ready for a wild fact? Bitrix24 can scale to thousands. Literally thousands of users, with industry-specific setups if you need them. Pretty impressive, yeah? Just beware, scaling means more cost, obviously. Kanbanchi is awesome for startups or small teams, especially in education, but if your crew grows, you'll feel the limits. So, for businesses planning to go big, Bitrix24 definitely takes the cake. And finally, security. Bitrix24 goes deep. GDPR, two-factor, even on-premise options if you want total control. But, and this is important, setting up security can get a little technical. Kanbanchi relies on Google's cloud security and lets you SSO with your Google account, which is convenient, but some advanced controls are paywalled. Both have strengths, but nothing here breaks the tie. Here's the category radar. Kanbanchi grabs wins for price and ease of use, but Bitrix24 sweeps up for features and scalability. Integration and security, those are neck and neck. So, what's my verdict? Bitrix24 is the powerhouse. It's probably too much for just a simple team, but if you need that entire business suite, go for it. Kanbanchi, though, is awesome if you're already living in Google Workspace and want something visual and lightweight. It's snappy and super approachable. For most small and medium teams that want easy, affordable, and Google-friendly, Kanbanchi comes out ahead. If this face-off helped you or, raised even more questions, don't forget to subscribe. I've got plenty more unbiased software breakdowns coming up. Catch you next time.